Oh no, what's happened here? Titles are here. To the titles. Okay, take me there then. Oh, wait, have I got some already? Conqueror, have at least 2 hangers. Oh, this is all the stuff I've got to do. Collector. Have at least 10 Mark III robots, that's lucky. Oh no, I have at least 20 Mark III weapons. Upgrade stuff 200. Oh, that's ridiculous. These are going to be so hard to do. I really wanted there to be like a YouTube one for just YouTubers, because that would have been pretty cool. But yeah, we've got Living Legend. Finish a battle season among the 3,000 top players. Become a living legend. Win 7 games in a row. Win a battle and be the top player. Destroy 15 enemies in a single battle. It is possible, but it's very hard. Commander, deploy 5 robots. Hire a pilot. I don't want to do that. Oh no, Titan Slayer. David versus Goliath. Okay. Win 100 battles. Upgrade Titans 100 times. Why? I've done all this already, though. Like, I've literally done all this. Just deploy 5 tier 4 robots in a single battle. I've done all this already. Champion. Participate in battles. Win a battle and be the top player. I've seen this one already. Oh, wait. Collector. I've done 4. I've only got 56 robots and 84 types of weapons. Okay, I mean, I guess. Thank you. I think I'll get this one first, to be honest, but who knows. This is going to be ridiculous. Leader, reach first on a leaderboard 10 times. Reach leaderboard milestones 100 times. That's ridiculous. A few of them are going to be pay to win. But I kind of want to try the Living Legend one, so I might as well just drop into a game. Okay, so we've dropped in on Springfield map. We'll start with the Crisis, because I'm going to try and get to Living Legend. That's all I need to do this game. Because that will help me towards the Living Legend title. Oh, what happened to him? He's just hovering in the sky. Oh, he dropped. Okay, there's a lot of pressure now. So, I swear someone just hit me from the side. There's an Ares over there. It's not Ultima, I don't think. Oh, is that a Crisis? Bye. Okay, kill number 1. We just need to keep getting kills. That's all I have to do and get to Living Legend. Just pretend it's the test server. I am surely going to get this Ares. Oh no, he's going down there. Come on, just let me kill you, please. Oh, great. Okay, I need to be careful here. Someone's going to get him. What about the Skyros? Are you serious? What was that? He had a shield. He had an EQ shield, I'm pretty sure. The Ares is dead. I need to be really careful. I've probably lost my kill streak now. Oh, I've still got it. I've still got it. That's very lucky. Oh, yes. Come out with stealth. Triple kill. Right, this guy's over here as well. He's locked. Rampage. Come on, 3 more. That's all I have to do. Come on, this guy. Come around the corner, please. No. Can I get him, maybe? I've done this already. I've got video proof of me getting Living Legend. Like, can I not just get all of them unlocked for free? Because I've done everything. Oh, no! Someone else had a Crisis. No! Right, the Rook's got to do it. Nessa Riggs, don't let me down. Right, we got him. We got a lot of damage on him as well. There's the Crisis back there. He's using Rhymes and Glacier. Dead. Come on, this is literally a speed run. Oh, are you serious? Come on. Crisis, please let me kill you. There's 2 more over there. Please! Yes, triple kill. Don't drop a Titan. Please! Okay. He didn't drop a Titan. Oh, I knew he was going to do that. Surely I can kill the Fafnir. for the Rampage. Is that a Rampage if I kill him? He's got the Freedom one. That's so cool. What's happening, Rampage? I'm actually sweating right now, guys. Not gonna lie. He's gonna be dead before I get there. I can't kill a Lynx. I don't care about the game. I'm trying to get the kills. Maybe we can get this Mender. Oh, there's a Muramet. He's gonna go into flight before. Let's do this to block all his shots. Thank you, Demeter. You're actually being really helpful this game. I might have lost my kill streak. I'd better not have lost it. Titans still count towards it, don't they? So that should count. Maybe... Oh, it's a Hawk. I could definitely kill that. Maybe I can kill that thing with Castling. No! Oh, he's got a cloaking unit. Die! No! How have I lost the kill streak? That would have been it! That's just not fair. How did I lose that first kill with the Crisis? It was like 30 seconds in between, and that was not 30 seconds. Right, triple kill again. They're all going to start dropping Titans, though, like this guy. Yeah, run away. That's what I thought. I haven't really got a choice. Is that 2 injuries? I'm running out of time. Oh, God. Oh, no! I'm actually going to die. No! I couldn't dash because he was out of stealth. Somehow all my health just came back, though. Oh, whatever, Lynx. I don't really care. We're doing damage, at least, to that Indra. I need to do this. I might die here. Yes, Nessa Riggs. Thank you for the shields. Oh, no. This is going crazy. No! Okay, his last stand triggered. It's fine. Help me, Luchador. I'm going to go kill this Minos because it's a Minos. Yes. Oh, the lasso thing's going to kill me. And there's another one. I actually might have lived if that... Yeah, it was the lasso that killed me. Well, I'd say that I've failed that now. Which is unfortunate, but oh well. What else can I do? Get first on the team was another one, so I should be able to do that this game. I might be able to kill this Indra. Isn't kill Titans and stuff one? All of these are going to contribute to something at least. How did he link to him and not me? Oh! Well, that was a lot of damage. The Lynx can probably execute it. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that, kill steal, mate. I need to do it for the leaderboards. I could execute him as well, but I think that Lynx is going to get it first. Yeah, for sure he is. That's the... Oh, that's a Rook. Hello. I'm going to try and go underneath it and get the beacon. I'm not scared of a Rook. I should be scared of a Rook. Oh, someone's killing him. Oh, no, they just got wiped out, though. That's not good. Yeah, come on, fight me. Oh, I didn't mean it, I swear. Oh my gosh. I'm just pushing a Rook. Yes, that got him off the beacon. I think we should win this game. Uh-oh. Oh no, there's another Lynx. Why did the execute not work? He was definitely below the threshold there. Oh, a Typhon. This Ravana is actually really good. Bye. Thank you. Oh, one of these snaky things. We could... Oh, we've got to have a 1v1 with the Ravana. Oh, he's got spikes as well. 1v1 me, bro. Where'd the thingy go? Oh, the Luchador's going to ruin it. I actually wanted to 1v1 him. That would have been good. He's going to steal the kill as well. Can we get the Athene before the game ends? I'm the only one that can hit him. He's gone over my head there. Bye. Double kill. Yeah, that's going to be the game. Well, we tried at least. It will happen eventually. It will. When I get the Newton, probably, it'll just be easy. But yeah, 15 kills! That was a mission! Oh my gosh, I've just done it first try. Look at that! I've literally just done that first try. Here are the honor points for that crazy game. Well, maybe it wasn't so bad after all. Can I click on it? Hello? There we go. Living legend. Get 15 kills. No way. What are the chances? So, that's actually not too bad. I think the hardest one will be you win 7 battles in a row. But yeah, that was a stroke of luck there. What are the chances? But anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.